Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create Life360 account. Go to Play Store to download the Life360 app. After downloading, open the application. Click on Get Started. Enter your country code and phone number, then select Continue. Enter your name and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Enter password. Make sure you choose a strong password with at least one uppercase letter, number and special character. When done, click on Continue. If you want to join an already existing circle, enter the invite code. If you don't have it, ask the circle creator for the code. You can also create your own circle by clicking on Create Circle to continue. Choose circle name and click Continue. Choose your role in the circle. Add your picture and click Continue. Allow permission for Life360 to access your location and your account is complete. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.